Hello and welcome to this episode of Reviewing Key Engineering Plastics. My name is Herwig Juster and today we are going to talk about Acrylonitrile Butadiene Styrene, or short ABS. We will review the chemistry, including a look at the simplified petrochemical flowchart, discuss the properties of ABS as well as the global demand and producers. I will provide you some price indications and we will talk about the end users of ABS too. So let's get started with the chemistry. ABS is an amorphous polymer with a glass transition temperature of 105 degrees C. It is made out of three different monomers: acrylonitrile, which provide heat resistance and chemical resistance to strong acids and bases; butadiene, which brings the good impact resistance; and styrene, which allows ABS to be easily processed and gives it some rigidity. Let's have a look at the simplified petrochemical flowchart. So where do the three different monomers have their roots? In general, one can state that 95% of the organic chemical industry is based on 7 raw materials: ethylene, propylene, C4 olefins such as butenes and butadienes, benzene, toluene and xylenes. Those 7 starters can be obtained by steam cracking of, for example, naphtha. Therefore, butadiene is obtained straight after steam cracking the naphtha into its core components, which you can see here in the orange box. Acrylonitrile, here in the green box, is already more complex. Again, you crack naphtha and get propylene. In the next step, catalytic ammoxidation of propylene leads to acrylonitrile. This is also known as the Sohayo process. And styrene has its foundation ethylbenzene, which is produced by the catalytic alkylation of benzene with ethylene. Then dehydrogenation of ethylbenzene is carried out to obtain styrene. Polymerization of acrylonitrile with styrene in the presence of butadiene particles is done over a continuous mass process. Let's continue with the properties of ABS. ABS is a versatile material with a number of good properties. It can be seen as an engineering plastic. However, ABS has its limitations at higher temperatures where the physical properties have a sharp drop. As I mentioned in the beginning, the glass transition temperature is around 105 degrees C, so to have a safe end use, the selected application should have a continuous use temperature of 90 degrees C. Altogether, we can summarize the properties as follows. ABS has a good stiffness combined with excellent toughness due to butadiene, good electrical properties and high gloss. Chemical resistance is good and it is plateable too. Easy coloring is possible. ABS is available in hundreds of colors. Let's continue with the capacity and the manufacturers. The global demand of ABS in 2016 was around 7.9 million tons, and Asia Pacific is with 74% the highest end user. When we look at the ABS producers, we can say that the top 10 manufacturers represent 71% of the global capacity. Kimei is with 1,780,000 tons per year, the largest producer. Okay, let's have a look at the price to performance ratio. A major point in every material selection is the cost of the plastic. On this slide you can see the classification of polymers into commodity plastics, engineering plastics and high performance plastics. ABS has a moderate cost level and ranges in the lower end of engineering plastics with around 2 to 2.5 euros per kg. What are the end users? ABS has many different end users, ranging from pipe and fittings, appliance housings, business machine housings, automotive parts such as grillers and body parts, and due to the high gloss and good appearance, it is used in luggage and sports accessories. And many of us know ABS from toys like the Lego bricks. What are typical applications? As mentioned before, ABS is known to most of us due to the vacuum cleaner houses, for example. Lego bricks, and a bit more unknown but quite interested is that the car body parts in orange of the Citroën Mehari are made of ABS too. So this was a review on ABS, a versatile material used in many applications. I would like to thank you all for watching, and please leave your comments below to share your experience with ABS. And if you liked it, please share and leave a thumbs up. Thanks, until next time.